What is a bomb cyclone? A bomb cyclone, also known as explosive cyclogenesis, is a rapidly intensifying storm system. It occurs when the central pressure of a storm drops by at least 24 millibars in 24 hours. This process creates a powerful storm, often bringing extreme weather conditions such as strong winds, heavy snow, rain, and coastal flooding. Bomb cyclones form due to a collision of cold, dry air and warm, moist air. These opposing air masses interact, causing a rapid drop in atmospheric pressure. The term bomb refers to the explosive nature of this rapid intensification. Cold air typically originates from polar regions. Warm air comes from the tropics, carrying moisture. The jet stream plays a key role in enhancing the storm's strength by creating upper-level winds that accelerate pressure drops. Rapid intensification is defined by a sharp pressure drop. Severe winds can reach hurricane-force speeds. Heavy precipitation includes snow, rain, or sleet, depending on temperature. Widespread impacts affect large areas, disrupting travel, power supply, and daily life. Roads become dangerous due to icy conditions and poor visibility. Flights are often cancelled due to severe winds and snowfall. High winds can knock down trees and power lines, leading to outages. Coastal areas may experience storm surges and flooding, especially when combined with high tides. Extreme cold and snow can damage crops and disrupt livestock operations. 2018. A powerful bomb cyclone hit the east coast of the United States, bringing blizzards and record-breaking cold temperatures. 2021. A bomb cyclone in the Pacific Northwest caused widespread flooding and landslides. Stay informed. Monitor weather forecasts and alerts. Emergency kit. Stock up on essentials like water, food, flashlights, and batteries. Avoid travel. Stay off the roads during severe conditions unless necessary. Protect your home. Secure outdoor items and prepare for power outages. A bomb cyclone is a natural weather phenomenon that demonstrates the power and unpredictability of nature. Understanding its formation, impacts, and how to prepare can help you stay safe during these extreme events. Always stay updated with local weather advisories and take necessary precautions.